In this video, we'll talk about the new Infinix Note 40 Pro.
It's stylish, has a curved display, a cool halo light, supports wireless charging, and comes at an affordable price.
Let's see what it offers. Inside the box of the Infinix Note 40 Pro, there is a 20-watt magnetic wireless fast charge pad to charge this smartphone wirelessly. The color I got is the Titan Gold. It also comes in vintage green. It comes with stickers, a seat glass screen protector, earphones, a Mac case, a USB Type-C cable, and a 70-watt fast charger that charges this smartphone from 0 to 100% in 46 minutes. And there is also a magnetic wireless charger to charge the phone at 20 watt. On the front, it is protected with Corning Gorilla Glass 5, making it resistant to drops from a height of 1.2 meters on hard and rough surfaces. It is also scratch resistant. It has a slim plastic frame.
The Infinix Note 40 Pro is an IP54 device, which means it's
to survive water splashing on it from all directions and not dipping it inside water. For the weight, it is 195 grams. Moving to the external features, something I haven't seen in a while on Infinix smartphones is an IR blaster. What it does is it allows you to control appliances that have an infrared receiver, like your TV or your air conditioner. It comes with dual stereo speakers tuned by JBL. They sound alright. The treble is decent but lacking bass. It has two microphones, one at the top and another one at the bottom. This smartphone comes with a dual SIM card tray with no memory card expansion slot. On the right side are the volume and power buttons. Flipping the phone to the rear, it has 3 cameras, and Infinix is calling it an active halo light system. It lights up when you receive notifications or when you charge the smartphone. Here are the different scenarios that would make the light come out, and it's customizable.
Surrounding the halo light is the flash LED light, and it's bright.
The fingerprint scanner is an optical one. It is fast and accurate.
But one thing which is missing is 3.5mm headphone jack.
Now, if we talk about the display, there is a 6.78-inch three-dimensional curved AMOLED display.
It has a 1080p resolution with a 120Hz refresh rate and a brightness that can go up as high as 1300 nits, so usage outdoors should not be a problem at all.
It also has a 360Hz touch sample rate, which is fine. And this display right here is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. Now, if we talk about performance, it is powered by MediaTek Helio G99 Ultimate processor, which is based on 6nm. The TUTU score is around 430,000, and this is the CPU throttling test, and the graph is green, which is good.
If we play PUBG, we get setting of HD at high graphic, and the gameplay is smooth, and phone also does not heat even after playing 2 hours.
It runs on Android 14 along with the Infinix XOS 14, and the user experience with XOS is neat and clean. Infinix promises 2 years of Android updates and 3 years of security updates, and it has 5000 mAh battery and supports 70-watt charging speed, and it also supports 20-watt Mac charge, which took a while to take fully charge.
It comes with 108-megapixel main lens with always 2-megapixel macro and AI lens, and on front it has 32-megapixel selfie camera. And these are the result from Infinix Note 40 Pro. And there is also very bright quad flashlight and also one on the front.
It's available in either 8GB or 12GB of RAM, paired with 256GB of UFS 2.2 storage. The price ranges from around $200 to $250, varying by region. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to our channel for more updates. Thank you for watching.